Hey there, everyone. This is Jason. I'm excited to walk you through a quick tutorial and how you can leverage a seller's secret weapon here that I'm going to walk you through. But specifically, this is a tool inside Vidyard. Vidyard is the favorite video player du jour when it comes to remote selling, but then also for the marketers. So today, what I'm going to do is walk you through a feature specifically to create a playlist, right? So a playlist is a one link that you can share with your prospect, customer, even internally, that has multiple videos, 5 or 6 videos, let's say, for an example. I'm not going to have that many in my example I'm going to share with you, but you can actually do that. And then I'll show you how the viewer can watch those multiple videos, creating a binge-worthy buying experience. Let's jump into it real quick here. So I'm using, obviously, I've got Gmail, I've got a Chrome extension for Vidyard. So if I compose an email, I'm just going to send it to myself real quick up here. Down here at the bottom, so here, as we all know in Gmail, you've got all your integrations down here at the bottom with features. And so if I click on the green bot, which is Vidyard's signature bot, it's the insert Vidyard videos. If I click on that, now my video library, gosh, all this hard work that I've created for all these videos, I've got easy access to them, right? So if I scroll through here, these are the personalized one-on-one videos that I've cranked out over the last couple weeks. So if I want to just grab one of these as an example, let's just grab this mini one real quick here. We love Minnie, and Minnie's going to get a personalized one-to-one video that I created for her. And so that's in my personalized Vidyard account, right? That's underneath my name, if you can see up here at the top. But I also want to bolt on a marketing video that, hey, Minnie, I wanted to share this 2D animation video. So if I just grab one of these, and now I've selected 2 videos. So here's the use case. If you're reaching out to your customer, your prospect, and you want to send them a personalized one-on-one video, but you want to add a product video, a testimonial of a customer that's raving about your solution, your product, this is the way to do it, right? So again, we've got a personalized video to Minnie, right? She's going to be able to watch that, and I'm going to tee up an example of the video that I'm going to be sharing with her later, which is the second video. And again, we can add multiple videos here so easily. Thank you, Vidyard. And you click on these, and those will add to 4. So let's go back to my original 2. I'm going to share this inside the email, and what happens is it's going to populate here in a second. Boom, there it is. So if I click on this, so again, this is awesome GIF or GIF, however you want to call this. This is going to hack her attention to say like, hey, Minnie, sit back, relax, grab a beverage, grab a popcorn, right? Grab something to eat. This is a quick 29-second video that she can watch. But the beauty thing about this is if we click on Minnie, this is her link, right? And I typically tee it up in the email to be like, hey, click on this link. And up here at the top, there's me doing the personalized one-on-one video, talking over it real quick here. Let me pause that. But here is the playlist. And so up here at the top left corner, if you click on the hamburger buns here, you can see, boom, Minnie, congrats. And there is the example video that I was talking about. But again, this is where you can leverage your other additional marketing videos, but personalized with them. This is the remote selling world that we are in today. And it's a main feature that I use every single day. And just wanted to walk you through it real quick. If you have any other questions, comments, or how I use Vidyard specifically and how we're training large sales team and the power of these, customized playlists to create these binge-worthy remote buying experience. Because the beauty about this type of experience is we do this for video proposals as well. We just tell people, hey, when it's convenient for you, you don't need to jump on Zoom. I just wanted to tee up this example. Again, it could be a video proposal. You're walking someone through your solution, right? And you don't want to rely on an internal champion, but you want to be able to showcase to the decision makers your solution to their problems through a video proposal. That's a great way to do it as well. But again, it gives that buyer peace of mind to understand, hey, I can watch this whenever. I don't have to be forced to jump on an hour Zoom video. So that's how we're using this. And again, happy to help. If you have any other questions, hit me up. Bye for now.